Alright guys, Paul here with a quick video. Finished work, went home with my dinner and I was like, you know what, I'm going to take the Losi RZR out for a little run. I've had this car for maybe just under 2 months, run it a few times, not missed a beat. Every video you've ever seen with it will be on 2S. It's honestly a great little car. It looks so top heavy, but the suspension setup in it is incredible. I mean, it's really dirty right now, so I'm not going to open it up and go through it. I'm sure there's other videos on them, but like I say, everybody knows in the early days when I got the laser nut how much I didn't like Losi. I kind of lost interest in them. I always wanted one. The first one I got was a laser nut and it was an absolute pile of shit, to be honest. Diffs went on it, everything broke, drive shafts, whatever, and it was just like, it was just a nightmare. I had 4S power, it was too heavy for the actual drivetrain. It was basically a 10 scale car like this with too much weight and too much power. So this can run on 3S, but again 2S, you'll see in the video, is more than fast enough. Some of it will have to slow down for footage, but the car, it absolutely rips. There's really nothing I would want to do to it. I mean, it comes with a light kit in it. I'll try and turn it around for you to see just now. So you've got the front lights, you've got the rear lights there. I'll get to the front ones for you to see. Hopefully you can see them on the camera. And for that, what else do you want to do to it? It's a completely scale replica of a proper RZR. I want to probably take it soon out on the beach, take it for a little run there. I don't know if you might change it for like paddle tyres or something, but one really good thing with it is the way the body works and mounts round it. You can see in the wheel arches if I zoom in, it's completely encased, so it doesn't matter how dirty this car gets, inside it's pretty spotless. I'm not going to say you're not going to get water in it if you go through a puddle. It's not watertight, but it's dust proof pretty much. All your electronics are protected, everything's easy to access, looks pretty easy to work on, and the way the body comes off, it's nice and easy to clean. You can just literally chuck it in the sink, close it in the garden, whatever you want to do, clean it down. Just a brilliant little car. It's at a good price point as well. It's not cheap, but it's not too expensive either. It's right in the middle, and for the looks of it, the power of it, the Spectrum stuff, which to be fair, I was never sure about battery wise etc before. I've always just kind of bought whatever batteries, charged them myself, but the technology you get, I'll show you just now, for the charging, shows you what battery power you've got, goes down, is quite nice. Having to charge the batteries without having to worry about anything, just plugging and playing is really good. And also they take the charge out themselves too, so they're kind of protecting themselves, so they're probably going to last longer and not swell, because I'm pretty bad for when I leave batteries sometimes and don't deplete them down to 20% or whatever it is, and over the time I've had one or two that have kind of puffed up. It's kind of similar to like a DJI drone battery. You charge it up, you leave it, it'll sit for a few days, then it'll deplete and put itself in a sort of safe mode. But like I say, it's not too much of a chatty video. I just wanted to show you guys the car, tell you how I'm getting on with it, recommend it, love the Fox livery, and yeah, enjoy the video guys. Any questions on the Losi RZR, drop me a message, and please like and subscribe because it helps a lot. I'm trying to get my channel up and going again. I've left it sitting for over a year basically without doing anything, and now I've got the bug back. I've got not so much loads of free time, but I've got more free time than I did have to do it, and yeah, more videos coming guys, so see you in the next one.